The nice people at Zulay gifted us this potato ricer. You know what I love the most about this? That. There's nothing in the middle. And that's because it comes with 3 different inserts, making this much more versatile. I like the fact that I can make spätzle. I like the fact that I can rice, which is what I'm assuming this one is for. And I like the fact that I can make baby foods, or for some reason I puree something even finer. Now, why a ricer? You can make a lot of things like gnocchi. You can make Duchess style potatoes, which you actually fill into a piping bag and then bake at a high heat and get a nice crust on it. For these things, you really need a very, very fine mash on a potato, and the best way to do that is with a ricer. So let's go ahead and put this insert into the hopper. And as you can see, it's very solid, and it's a good size hopper. It's about 13.5 ounces. So it'll hold 1 potato. So let's see how it does. Now, I'm not pressing too hard. I think anybody could grab this and press down as firmly as they wanted to, and it would work just fine. Some features I really like about this particular ricer is it's got this silicone handle here, which will make it nice when I'm pressing down on the ricer into the hopper with the plunger. It also has what can be used for 2 things: a hanger, so I can hang this in my kitchen. I can also hang this on my drying rack. I can also use it as an additional handle, and I can set it on the bowl if need be. So it's very versatile, and I like that quite a bit. Be sure to rice these when your potatoes are hot so that when you put butter on there, it'll melt in nicely. And then look at this. We just mix this up to get a nice, smooth mash. Add a little milk or cream. So nice. Delicious, and the texture, you can't beat it. There's no lumps. It's smooth, again, for those recipes where you need smooth potatoes. With these carrots, I'm going to make some baby food. I'm going to use the disc that has the smaller holes in it. Look how easy this is. I just put these carrots right in, put a handful. I could probably put all of them because I got such a nice big hopper here. And then same thing. The smaller holes are going to give us a much finer puree. Scrape that right off, and you've got some nice baby food. And here's my tip: if you got some leftover baby food, which you probably will because you're going to enjoy using this ricer so much, put it in an ice cube tray. You can put it in the freezer. Once it's frozen, take it out, put it in a Ziploc bag, and now you've got the baby food ready to either put in the microwave or defrost at room temperature for when you need it. So if you want to make spätzle or you want to do some sort of noodle extrusion, I would use this insert. It's got the bigger holes. Perfect for that. We've got a couple products from Zulay. I really like their story. They're a family. They're immigrants from Venezuela that came to the United States and had a dream and made it happen. That makes a big difference, I think, and I really do feel that family love when I'm reading through the directions, the warranty, and just looking at the quality of how this is made. I can see using this for a very long time. I highly recommend it.